Oxfordshire's local nature recovery strategy is now open for consultation. Oxfordshire's landscape is vitally important, and you now have the opportunity to help secure its future and contribute towards a bigger, better and more joined up natural environment for generations to come. We need as many people as possible to look over the draft strategy and the map we've created. And let us know what you think. Have we got the priorities right? Have we missed anything that's important to you and in your local area? You can access the consultation on Oxfordshire County Council's website and view all of the supporting documents in the toolbar on the right-hand side. There are two main elements to the survey. The first is a series of questions about the different documents and if you think any of the priorities should be removed or added to the strategy. You can answer as much or as little of this as you'd like and can either submit your response through the online Let's Talk survey or by completing and returning the Word document template. The second element is a map where you can look at the Nature Recovery Network and the actions we've proposed to create or enhance the county's different habitats. Zoom into your local area and leave pins and comments to let us know what you agree and disagree with and any other suggestions you might have for your local areas. Again, you can input into this as much or as little as you'd like. Think about what's important to you. Do you want more trees across your landscape, grasslands managed for wildlife, or more green space in your town? You don't have to be a wildlife expert to fill in the consultation. It's a strategy for everyone to use, so we want the voices of as many people as possible. The deadline to submit a response is the 26th of November. Your voice will feed into the final strategy, which will be used to deliver nature-positive outcomes for years to come.